On Saturday, November 16, it became a historic day not only for Sagar city but for all of India when a student and teacher of Delhi Public School Sagar set a unique world record in Vedic mathematics. A group of 180 students and 22 teachers gathered the school ground to solve a 100 2-digit and 3-digit multiplication quotient a set time, earning their place the Universal Achiever Book of Records and the Future Kalam Book of Records. The student from DPS solved all 100 questions in just 8 minutes and 8 seconds, while the teacher in just 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Dr. Babu Balakrishnan, the chairman of both record books, was presented to witness this achievement. Good evening to all of you. I am Bhupendra Singh and you are watching Republic Sagar Media. First of all, subscribe our channel and don't forget press the bell icon to get all the notification for our upcoming video.
मां शारदा इंटरप्राइजेस के साथ अपने सपनों का घर बनाएं। आधुनिक फर्नीचर की नई रेंज, होम डेकोर के नवीनतम ट्रेंड्स।
Dignitaries including District Education Officer Arvind Kumar Jain, DPS Sagar Director Engineer Rahul Saraf, the Principal Ravikant Bajpayee Jula graced the occasion with their presence. First of all, participants assembled the ground of 10:30 a.m. Dr. Balakrishnan set a 10 minutes timer with the principal, and as the countdown began, the student starting solving the problem quickly. 10th grade student Subhansi Verma set the first entry, completing their challenge in just 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Following her, all 180 students completing their problem within 8 minutes, setting a new world record and breaking the previous record set by 120 students from Visakhapatnam, who completed it in only 12 minutes. Then after the 22 DPS teachers also completed the challenges in the 7 minutes and 30 seconds, breaking the previous record set by 18 teachers in Visakhapatnam, who took 10 minutes. This remarkable achievement raised the name of DPS Sagar city, Madhya Pradesh and the entire country with pride. Then after at 2 p.m. all record holding students and teachers were honored with certificate and medals presented by Chief Guest Dr. Babu Balakrishnan, Director Engineer Rahul Saraf, Board of Director Darshani Saraf and Principal Ravikant Bajpayee Jula. Dr. Balakrishnan expressed his thought, emphasizing India's historical role as a global knowledge leader. He highlights the brilliance of great mathematicians like Srinivasa Ramanujan, whose contribution provided new direction to the world. This program aims to inspire to younger generations to learn mathematics with simplicity and restore India's position at the forefront of global scholarship. Guest of honor Arvind Kumar Jain extended his best wishes, recognizing Vedic mathematics as one of the world's finest mathematical systems and appreciating the governance including of Vedic mathematics in the new education policy. He congratulated the DPS students and his schools for their extraordinary achievement. DPS Sagar Director Engineer Rahul Saraf highlighted that their institution goal is not only teach students but also to contribute their holistic development, whether in science and sport. DPS skilled teacher constantly guide students to achieve their goals. Various programs and competition are organized to foster this development. Principal Ravikant Bajpayee Jula explained that the event aimed to ignite students' interest in mathematics and introduce them to the simple and effective principle of Vedic mathematics. This program strengthens students' calculation skills and mathematical understanding, which will be beneficial in all fields of life. This achievement has elevated not only DPS Sagar but also Sagar city, Madhya Pradesh and entire nation with the pride. Such efforts in the field of mathematics serve as symbol of honor of India and they inspire future generations to make their mark through education and wisdom. देखिए, कुल मिलाकर DPS सागर के छात्रों और शिक्षकों ने वैदिक गणित में एक नया विश्व रिकॉर्ड बनाकर न केवल विद्यालय बल्कि सागर नगर, मध्य प्रदेश और पूरे भारत को गर्व का अनुभव कराया है। इस अद्वितीय उपलब्धि ने छात्रों की लगन, संकल्प और ज्ञान को एक नए आयाम पर पहुंचाया है। गणित के क्षेत्र में ऐसे प्रयास भारत के लिए सम्मान का प्रतीक है और नई पीढ़ियों को प्रेरणा देते हैं कि वे शिक्षा और ज्ञान के माध्यम से अपनी पहचान बनाए।
मैं रत्नेश जड़िया मां शारदा इंटरप्राइजेज में आप सभी का स्वागत करता हूं।
मैरिज गार्डन, होटल, रेस्टोरेंट, शोरूम, ऑफिस, हॉस्पिटल, दुकान एवं मकान के नवीनीकरण इंटीरियर डेकोरेशन मटेरियल के लिए सागर का एकमात्र शोरूम। वाटरप्रूफ, फायरप्रूफ यूवी मार्बल शीट, पीवीसी लोवेयर्स, 2G, 4G और 5G पीवीसी पैनल्स, WPC लोवेयर्स और वॉलपेपर के साथ।
डोर, सोफा सेट, सिंगल बेड, डबल बेड, अलमीरा, ड्रेसिंग टेबल और आर्टिफिशियल ग्रास के साथ बहुत कुछ। दीवालों पर फॉल सीलिंग लगाकर घर को सुंदर बनाएं।
तो फिर देर किस बात की है? होम कंसल्टेशन, डिजाइनिंग के लिए सलाह, फाइनेंस और EMI की सुविधा भी उपलब्ध है। तो इस मौके पर बिल्कुल भी न चूकें।
आज ही विजिट करें और आसान किस्तों में फर्नीचर अपने घर ले जाएं। हमारा पता है मां शारदा एंटरप्राइजेस, श्री राघव जी मंदिर परिसर, स्टेट बैंक वाला हाल, श्री सत्यनारायण मंदिर की घाटी के सामने, बड़ा बाजार, सागर, मध्य प्रदेश।
हमारा नंबर है 7000
रिपब्लिक सागर मीडिया को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य करें और आप हमारी आने वाली सभी वीडियो को देखना चाहते हैं तो आपको उसके लिए घंटी जरूर दबानी पड़ेगी ताकि आपको सभी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन समय समय पर मिलती रहे। रिपब्लिक सागर मीडिया पर जो भी वीडियो आएगा वह सच की कसौटी पर कसकर ही आएगा।